Good morning, everybody. How are you all? I'm fine, thank you. So, I am your social teacher. I'll be teaching you first class social studies. So, now I would like to start our first topic. What is our first topic? You have came into the first class. So, what will you do? You'll meet your new friends. You'll meet your new teacher. So, here I am your social teacher. So, what you are looking forward? You are looking forward to meet me. So, here our topic for today is meet me. So, let us write our topic here. Meet stands with M, makes sound M, and meet, me. So, here meet me. This is our topic of today, meet me. So, when you meet a new person, what will you do first? What will we waiting for? What will we try to ask them? We ask their name first. If we know their name, then we can easily make friends. We can play with them. We can have joy. We can do whatever we want. So here I would like to ask you to open your books. So here when you see what is there, what is the picture you see here in the book? It's a bunny. What is bunny saying? Hi friends. So when you meet a new one, what they say? You just greet them saying hi, hello, good morning. Yes. So here in the same way, the bunny is telling, hi friends. So what is the name of the bunny here? He has a name. I am Chinky. What is he saying? I am Chinky. Tell me something about yourself. He is asking us to tell about you. So here even I am asking you. You are new faces to me. So even I am also asking you to tell about yourself. Even I am also eagerly waiting to know about you. In the same way, you are also waiting to know my name and know about me. Am I right? So yes, let us start. The first one, what is there? My name is. What is written? My name is. So how will you answer this? What is the question for this? What is your name? Or we can say, what's your name? We can even say, what's your name? So here, then what the answer is? My name is. So you want to know my name? Here, my name is Shagufta Jamali. Have you understood? Maybe it is a little difficult to remember, but as you follow me, you will be easily remembering my name. So my name is Shagufta Jamali, which starts with S and H, makes the sound sh. What? S and H, which makes the sound sh. So here my name is Shagufta Jamali. So I know very well that you all know your name. You can write your name on your own. Am I right? So here you do it for me from now. So here you take your pencil and make it sharp, make it point, and then don't throw the dust there under your bench. Sharp it and keep it there in your compass, then you throw it in dustbin. Okay? So here, sharp your pencils, take out your pencil and write your name there. Come on, do it. Thank you. Then, when coming to the next, but before going to the next sentence, I would like to tell that even here the name, what is written in the textbook saying my name is. But we will be learning more. How can we tell a name? You can also use as I am Shagufta Jamali. When you meet your friends, from now on, rather saying my name is Shagufta Jamali or something, say as I am Shagufta Jamali. Because I am Shagufta Jamali, I am saying Shagufta Jamali. You don't all say Shagufta Jamali. You use your name. So use your name there, starting the sentence, I am. Okay? I am Shagufta Jamali. Then, next. I am a blank. I am a blank. Then you have options here in the bracket saying boy or girl. So you have learnt in your UKG. Who are you? Like woman who has the hair differently. Boys and girls have different structure. They have different figures. So here you know who is a boy, who is a girl, who is a woman, who is a man, who is a lady, and so on. Am I right? Who is old? Everything you know. So here, who are you? Are you a boy or a girl? Who are you? So write down. If you are a boy, write it a boy. If you are a girl, write it a girl. But who I am? There is no option over there. Who I am? Yes. So you all know you are a boy, you are a girl. But who am I? There is no option over there. So who am I? I am a woman. Or you can even say I am a lady. What you can say? I am a lady. So here I will be writing here lady, which starts with L, makes L sound, lady. So if you are a boy, write it down a boy. If you are a girl, write it down a girl. Already the spellings are given here in your notebook. So please write it down. I'll give you some time. Thank you. Then next, I am blank years old. I am blank years old. So, what will be the question for this sentence? What will be you asking? Yes, I ask, how old are you? What will we ask? How old are you? So, what can we write here? We can write it as I am blank years old. So, what do you have to mention there? You have to mention a number. Okay. So, how old are you? I am 26 years old. How many? I am 26 years old. So, that is why I am a lady. Okay. Then, I am in class blank. I am in class blank. So, what is the question for this? Which class are you in? Yes, which class are you in? Then, I am in, which class are you? You all are in which class? I am in first class. So, here I will be saying I am teaching you first class. So, write here first class. You can use a number or you can write it a Roman number, Roman 1, or you can even write a spelling saying O-N-E, 1. Okay, write it down. Then next, the name of my school is. The name of my school is. So, the name of my school is the blank. So, what will be the question for this? The question for this is, what is your school name? Or what is your school's name? Which school are you in? These are the ways to ask a question. So, the name of my school is, write down your school name. So, here what we do, we when we wake up, we do different activities. We go around. When we meet people, we have fun with them, we greet them, we play with them. So here some of the activities are given. My favorite activity is to read books, to play in the ground, yes, to have fun with my family. So what is your favorite activity? Some of the pictures are given below. Color your favorite activity. I have done one for me, then you do the rest. What is your favorite activity is the homework for you today. So before leaving, I would like to recall what all we have learned today. So when you meet a new face, when you meet a new person, what you have to do? You have to tell all the details of yourself. These are all the details of myself. You are meeting me, I am meeting you. So I am knowing about you, you are knowing about me. So how do we know them? How do we get interact? How do we face people? By telling all these. What are these? My name is Shagufta Jamali. I am a lady. You might be a boy or a girl. I am 26 years old. I am in class first. The name of my school is, write down your school name there. Okay, this is what we have learned today. So when you meet someone, you ask them, you know about them, and also you tell about yourself. Then we can be more interacted and have fun together, and we can play. Thank you all.